مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin. مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome to this short Christmas quiz in Levantine Lebanese Arabic. انتوا جاهزين? Are you ready? يلا نبلش. Let's begin. Question 1. السؤال رقم 1. أمتين عيد الميلاد. أمتين عيد الميلاد. I'm not going to do the English translation because you have to figure out and test your knowledge in spoken Arabic, including the names of the month in the Levant region and specifically in Lebanon, and the Arabic numbers. I'm going to read out the options. 25 كانون الأول، 24 كانون الثاني، 25 تشرين الأول أو 24 تشرين الثاني. Let me know how much did you score? How many questions did you get right? Type your answers in the comments. Ready? الجواب هو 25 كانون الأول. كانون الأول, which is December, and كانون الثاني is actually January. تشرين الأول is actually October, and تشرين الثاني is November. السؤال الثاني. وين ورشة بابا نويل or ورشة Santa? ورشة is a workshop. I've made it easy for you in this question. B. Antarctica, شمال إيرلندا, Iceland, which is Iceland in English, or القطب الشمالي. شو قولكم? What do you say? الجواب هو القطب الشمالي, the North Pole. شمال means north, شمالي means something like northern. So القطب الشمالي. السؤال رقم 3 بالكريسماس كويز. شو اسم حيوان الرنة or the reindeer, حيوان الرنة اللي منخاره كبير؟ Rudolph, Dancer, Vixen, or Comet. شو قولكم? What do you say? الجواب هو Rudolph. Rudolph منخاره كبير. Excellent. ممتاز. السؤال رقم 4. شو الوجبة الخفيفة أو السناك اللي نتركها لبابا نويل حد الشجرة؟ شو الوجبة الخفيفة اللي بنتركها لبابا نويل حد الشجرة؟ شو رأيكم؟ What do you say? شاي وكعك، دجاج مشوي وخضرة، حليب وبسكوت، سوشي وشاي مثلج. شو رأيكم؟ الجواب هو حليب وبسكوت. حليب وبسكوت. Milk and cookies. شو اسم مرت بابا نويل أو مرته لسانتا؟ Santa's wife. Wife Claus, Mrs. Claus, Lady Claus, or Queen Claus. بعتقد هيدا السؤال سهل كتير. I think this question is really easy. صح? Is that right? Mrs. Claus. برافو. السؤال الرقم 5. شو اسم الزينة اللي منحطها على الباب بعيد الميلاد؟ شو اسمها؟ What's it called? إكليل، أعشاب، بوكيه أو شجرة؟ شو قولكن؟ بقول الجواب. Should I say the answer? الجواب إكليل. إكليل من الورود. شو منعلق على المدخنة أو الشميناء؟ شو منعلق عليها؟ برنيطة، صباط، تنورة أو كلسات؟ برنيطة، صباط، تنورة أو كلسات. So what do we hang? كلسات. كلسات actually means socks, which is the equivalent of a stocking in English. برنيطة is a hat, by the way, and صباط is actually shoes, and تنورة is a skirt. السؤال رقم 7. شو هو الفيلم الأكثر مشاهدة أو الرقم 1 بعيد الميلاد؟ What's the number 1 movie in Christmas? The Grinch, Home Alone, The Grinch or Home Alone, It's a Wonderful Life, or A Christmas Carol. شو برأيكم؟ أي فيلم هو الرقم 1 number 1؟ الجواب طبعا for sure هو Home Alone. السؤال رقم 8. مين بيساعد helps مين بيساعد بابا نويل أو سانتا ليصنع الألعاب to make the toys؟ مين بيساعد بابا نويل ليصنع الألعاب؟ الأقزام، الغزلان، السحرة أو الأولاد؟ So we know it's the elves in English, but how do we say that in Arabic? الأقزام. If you got that right, well done, because that was a tricky one. السؤال رقم 9. شو بيركب بابا نويل؟ What does he ride on, literally? سيارة، زلاجة، ترين، أو طيارة؟ بابا نويل بيركب زلاجة, or we can also say مزلجة. زلاجة أو مزلجة. A sleigh. وآخر سؤال, the last question. شو بياكلوا الناس بعيد الميلاد؟ شو بياكلوا الناس بعيد الميلاد؟ ديك رومي أو حبش، دجاج، أو لحمة أو سمك. So ديك رومي، دجاج، لحمة أو سمك. طبعاً ديك رومي, which is turkey, and we also call it حبش. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas quiz. وخبروني, tell me please, كيف كانت معلوماتكم وإذا أنتم جاهزين هلأ لعيد الميلاد. ميرسي وشكراً لكم. باي.
Are you ready to unlock the beauty of the Lebanese language? Introducing the Lebanese Mega Bundle, your gateway to mastering Lebanese spoken Arabic conversation. Whether you're a complete beginner or aiming for a higher intermediate level, my comprehensive courses have got you covered. No previous knowledge of Arabic is required. With the Lebanese Mega Bundle, you'll gain access to all levels of the program, from the very basics to advanced conversations. Plus, you'll even get access to future courses. And the best part, you can get it all for a one-off discounted price. That's right, unlimited lifetime access to my vast library of resources and the largest online course and resource platform specialized in Lebanese language learning. Worried about support? Don't be. With direct support available via the chat button during UK working hours, you'll never feel alone on your learning journey. So how does the online self-paced program work? It's simple. We all know that mastering a language takes time and effort. That's why I've packed the Lebanese Mega Bundle with everything you need to succeed. With over hundreds of hours of learning content, you'll have the resources and time necessary to achieve a near native level of fluency, which requires a minimum of 2,600 hours. Say goodbye to limited and overpriced or unverified online resources. The Lebanese Mega Bundle provides you with the largest online library of courses, quality videos, audios, flashcards, checklists, suggested activities, and study plans. You'll have downloadable written resources at your fingertips. From vocabulary to grammar, reading comprehension to conversation skills, you're covered. And to top it off, I've included a selection of interesting stories for you to savor. Need assistance? It's just a click away. If you have any questions or require support, simply use the chat button for help. If you require further one-on-one support and course feedback, as well as speaking practice, you can opt at any time to join my private Inner Circle Telegram study and support group for a minimal monthly fee, available only for the Lebanese Mega Bundle students. A safe and supportive, friendly space where you can practice your Lebanese and get personalized feedback. You can also book for discounted conversational online lessons, but remember, commitment is key. These self-paced and online courses in the program offer flexibility, control, and easy access to a wide range of resources. However, true progress requires effort and study hours. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting language learning journey? Enroll now in the Lebanese Mega Bundle and unlock all courses to start speaking Lebanese Arabic and to achieve your communication goals, whether it's chatting to family members in Lebanese or traveling to Lebanon or simply learning colloquial Arabic. Visit the website and join today. The Lebanese Mega Bundle awaits you. What do members who have bought the course say? Mitchell from the USA says, if you desire to be inspired to learn Levantine Arabic, please sign up for the program. If you examine the amount of material and support provided in relationship to the very reasonable cost, you will see what a grand bargain it is. It's very inspirational and friendly too. Rosie from Mexico says, I've utilized many methods of learning Lebanese Arabic, and Angela's courses are by far the best.